Before we continue this masterclass, let me quickly show you everything you'll be learning in this Meta Ads Masterclass series. Yes, from beginning till the end. How will this masterclass run? What information will you be getting? I'll break them down in a bit. But before I do that, note that if you follow this masterclass from the beginning till the end, step by step, you would know how to professionally run Meta Ads in 2026, even though you are someone who does not know anything about Meta Ads. Keep your fingers crossed, because I am here to guide you step by step. This is the episode 1.4 of our Meta Ads Masterclass. If you missed episode 1.1, 1.1, 1.3, you have missed so much. Please check the description below. You are going to see a link to the playlist of this masterclass. Please go back there and watch episode 1.1 to 1.3 before coming to see 1.4. You have missed the foundations that will help you become successful in running Meta Ads. Please stop this video now, go back there, watch them, and continue watching this video. It is extremely important. Now let's go over into what this full masterclass will teach you and how we intend to implement or impact this knowledge to you. The episode 1, which is the episode we're actually on now, is the episode that gives you the introduction to Meta Ads. Yes, you would understand what Meta Ads is, how it works, and what you are able to achieve with a very low budget. This is what we have covered in episode 1.1 to 1.3. That's why I recommend you go back and watch those episodes. Now in episode 2, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can professionally set up your business manager account. Remember we mentioned that one of the requirements for you to run ads on Meta on Facebook is that you must have a Meta business account. Not just having it, you must also know how to set it up correctly. So all those basics, foundation are the things we're going to be doing in episode 2. Practically showing you how to set this up in a way that will be productive for your ads. Yes. In addition to that, we'll be showing you how to set up your page, your ad account, and also your payment options. All of that will be covered in episode 2. Now, why is this part very important? It is important because if your setup is wrong, your ads will suffer for it for a very long time. So make sure you pay attention to episode 2 when we get to that episode. On episode 3, we'll be dealing with V.S.L and how to professionally set it up. Yes, you will learn exactly what V.S.L is, what it does for your business, what it does for your ads, and most importantly, the step-by-step guide on how to set it up without getting challenges. This is one part that so many persons find so disturbing. We'll learn how to set that up in episode 3. In episode 4, I'll be showing you how to install V.S.L, how to connect it to your website. Whatever website you are using, I will show you how to professionally do that setup so that your V.S.L can be tracking the activities of your website correctly. In episode 5, I will take my time to explain all the campaign objectives and when you should use them. This is the part that so many ad creators or people who run ads make mistakes. Please, this part is a very important aspect of this Meta Ads training. Learning the campaign objectives and when to use each of them. Now from episode 6 up to episode 15, the class now becomes practical. Episode 6, I'll be showing you how to create your very first campaign professionally. Yes, I'll show you how to run your engagement campaign, traffic campaign, sales campaign, leads campaign. And episode 7, I'll be showing you how to target the very right audience that needs to see your product or your service. This is an episode you do not want to miss because I have so many information to show you right there in episode 7. In episode 8, we'll be dealing with what we call custom audiences and lookalike audiences. What are these things? How do they work? You'll be learning all of that in episode 8. Step-by-step guide on how to create custom audiences, how to create lookalike audiences, and how to use them effectively in your ads. All of that will be covered in episode 8. In episode 9, I would walk you through the process of designing captivating ad creatives. Yes, flyers, videos, banners that you'll be using on your ads. I would show you how to create that in episode 9. In episode 10, we'll go over into the ad copy, showing you how to write persuasive copies that will make people take the action you want them to take. Yes. Do you know there is a way you would write an advert? It would push someone to take the action that you want them to take. I would show you how to write those mind-blowing ad copies that would push people to take the action that you actually want them to take. Right there in episode 10. From episode 11, we now go over into real campaign management and optimizations. In episode 11, you would learn how to run your ads, launch it, and ensure everything is working how you want them to go. In episode 12, you would hearing the most common terminologies in meta ads. You will hear me use terminologies like CPC, CPM, CTR, and ROAS. These are terminologies that I will be using multiple times in meta ads. I'll be telling you what all these terminologies mean and how they can help you optimize your ads very, very well. Episode 12 is an episode you do not want to miss if you want to become a professional meta ads expert who can defend yourself anywhere in the world. Look out for episode 12 because I have so many hidden gems there for you. Episode 13 is the episode where we'll now be scaling our ads. Look at what is working and focus on it. Look at what is not working and pause that ad. It's an episode where I want you to pay close attention because we have so many secrets to unveil to you on how to manage your adverts right there on the Meta Ads Manager. Episode 14 is where the magic happens. Yes, this is where we do retargeting our ads and setting up funnels that would appeal to a particular category of people. Yes, this is section where we set up an audience and create an advert that will show to only those people. For example, we have 10 persons who visited our shop online. Only 3 persons purchased. 7 persons did not purchase. We would create an advert for only those 7 persons, asking them, why did you not purchase this product? Even after seeing it on our shop. They will be shocked knowing how you knew they did not purchase. This is what audience retargeting will help us achieve right there in episode 14. Don't worry, I got you. Finally, we'll come over to episode 15. We are going to get the complete summary of this Meta Ads Masterclass. We have interactions. We discuss. You tell me the problems you encountered. I would help you solve them. This is the final episode where I'm going to tell you everything you need to know if you want to become an expert digital marketer. Not just someone who knows how to run meta ads. Come on. You have so much to learn in this Meta Ads Masterclass 2026. After hearing everything that we are going to be learning in this masterclass, why do you think this masterclass will work for you? This is because this masterclass will take you from someone who is confused about meta ads to someone who is very, very confident. Someone who can run meta ads for any product or service. Yes, you need to know that every video you see builds on the next one. That is the reason why you need to take it from episode 1.1 down to the end of this masterclass. That way you will not be missing any information that will be given to you. So let me know in the comment section below, which of these episodes are you most excited for? Is it pixel targeting? Is it how to set up meta pixel? Is it how to do audience retargeting? Is it how to scale your ads? Or maybe it is how you can spend low on your ads. Come on, go to the comment section below and tell me which one you're most interested for. I want to see it so I can know what area I should put more focus because of you. Go down there to the comment section below and tell me which area you are most interested for. I can't wait to see your comment and interact with you in a way that would understand ourselves and communicate more freely. And most importantly, I want to see the topic that matters most to you. So now that you understand everything we'll be covering in this course, it is now time for us to move to the real setup. Yes, episode 2.1, where I'll be showing you how to set up your Meta Business Manager account the right way. Come on. Ensure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, so many other persons who are not actually running Facebook ads the right way can see these playlists. Watch it and thank you later. For now, let us head on to episode 2.1, where I'll be showing you exactly how to professionally set up Meta Business Manager for yourself. If you are fortunate, you will see that video showing right here on your screen. What are you waiting for? Click on it. But if you are not, come on, turn on post notifications so you will see when episode 2.1 will drop. You will be notified. I'll see you in episode 2.1.